In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently shop for an item using the Shopee dashboard. Whether you're a seasoned pro or new to online shopping, I'll guide you through every step of the process to ensure a seamless purchasing experience. Imagine you have something in mind that you're eager to buy. Let's use a t-shirt as our example today. To begin, once you're on the Shopee homepage, you'll notice a convenient search bar located right at the top of the page. This is your gateway to accessing millions of products available for purchase on the platform. In this bar, simply type in the item you're interested in. Since our focus today is on t-shirts, go ahead and type t-shirt and then hit enter. This action will generate a list of all the available t-shirts that match your search terms, providing you with a variety of options. Take a moment to browse through the selections. When you find a t-shirt you like, click on it to view more detailed information. This page is crucial as it will give you insights on available variants, such as different colors and sizes. If the t-shirt you've chosen offers these options, decide on the color, choose your size, and specify the quantity you wish to purchase. Once you're satisfied with your selections, it's time to add this item to your virtual shopping cart. Simply click on the Add to Cart button, and you're one step closer to making that purchase. After you've added your item to the cart, navigate to the top right corner of the page where you'll see an icon that represents your shopping cart. Click on this icon to review all the items you've chosen. Here, you'll see a checkbox next to each item. This feature allows you to confirm which items you wish to purchase at this time. Make sure the checkbox next to your desired t-shirt is selected. With your items checked, proceed by clicking the Checkout button. This action will bring you to the next page dedicated to finalizing your purchase. This is where you'll find a section for payment methods. Direct your attention there and click on the word Change. You'll be presented with a variety of available payment methods. Take a moment to select the one most convenient for you, ensuring that your shopping experience is both quick and secure. And that's it. You've successfully placed an order on Shopee by following these steps. Happy shopping, and until next time, keep exploring and enjoying your online shopping adventures.